the door that only opens with the heart. In a small village, there was an old house on a hill. The house was empty, but it had a big wooden door. The villagers said, "That door is special. It only opens with the heart." Many people tried to open it. They pushed and pulled. Some used keys, others knocked loudly, but the door never opened. One day, a curious girl named Emma heard about the door. "I want to see it," she said. Emma climbed the hill and stood in front of the house. The door was big and beautiful, with golden designs. Emma touched the door and said softly, "Hello, door, can you open for me?" Nothing happened. Emma sat on the grass and thought, "What does it mean to open with the heart?" she wondered. After a while, Emma heard a small cry. She turned and saw a little bird on the ground. Its wing was hurt. "Oh, poor bird," Emma said. She gently picked it up and made a soft nest with her scarf. Emma stayed with the bird until the sun began to set. The bird chirped happily as its wing started to feel better. Emma smiled. "You are safe now, little one." Suddenly, Emma heard a creaking sound. She turned around and saw the big door slowly opening. She walked to the door, her heart full of wonder. Inside the house, Emma found a beautiful garden. Flowers of every color grew everywhere. Birds, butterflies, and sunlight filled the space. The door opens when you show kindness, Emma realized. Emma ran back to the village. She told everyone, "The door opens with kindness and love. It listens to your heart." From that day on, the villagers learned that small acts of kindness can open even the hardest doors.